I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Filza File Manager. First, ensure Filza is installed on your device. Once open, you'll see the root directory, often represented by a /. Navigate through folders by tapping them. To go back, use the arrow icon at the top left. This tool gives you deep control over your device's files, far beyond what stock apps offer. It's essential for advanced customization and troubleshooting. To manage your files, simply tap on any file to open it with Filza's built-in viewer, which supports many formats. If you need to perform actions like copying, moving, or deleting, just long press on the item. A menu will pop up with all available options. The search function is incredibly useful for finding files quickly, especially in a large file system. You can search by name or even content. Filza offers more than just basic management. You can directly edit text files, property lists, and even hex data using its integrated editors, which is incredibly powerful for tweaking system settings. For organization, compress multiple files into a single zip archive with just a few taps. Furthermore, Filza allows you to connect to remote servers using protocols like FTP, SFTP, or WebDAV, making file transfers between devices seamless. Personalize your Filza experience by diving into its settings. You can adjust themes, default file actions, and even set up a passcode for added security. A crucial tip: always back up any important files before you modify them, especially system files, to prevent potential issues. This ensures you can always revert if something goes wrong. And speaking of things that smell good, life's too short for a stinky car. So check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.